everyone, good morning, namaste. We are so excited today. We are in Orlando, Florida. So, wow, we are going to enjoy today. We are going to Disney World. Wow! And to watch everything, whatever inside Disney World. So we are just first going for Disney World as a Magic Kingdom Fest. Magic. Okay, you want to go to Disney World? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yay!
Yay! High five. Ooh. Bye bye.
Thank
See you
you.
there.
So much. I love Disney World.
Finally, we are at the Magic Kingdom parking entrance. We are on the way to Disney World Magic Kingdom theme park ticket counter. My daughter and we are just waiting for the ticket for the Magic Kingdom. After ticket, we have to take the train. Oh, our train is coming right now. We are ready to go. Choo-choo, choo-choo train. We are on the train right now. She is so happy and she is excited. We reserved our vacation package. We booked the ticket. We planned ahead months ago. So we are right now very excited to be here. This is the entrance for the ballet tickets. Right now we are inside the Magic Kingdom theme park. We are so excited. We would like to say hi to everyone. This is one of the best places in the history and we must visit once in a life. Magic Kingdom Disney World. If you are planning to visit Disney World for the family vacation, plan at least 2 to 3 weeks earlier so that you have no problem when you are at Disney World. There are so many things to do before we visit Disney World. Number one is we need to find out which theme park we are going to. Basically, there are 4 theme parks in Disney World. Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, Hollywood Studio, and Epcot. If you have kids, you can visit Magic Kingdom for the more fun. I have my daughter, that is why I'm here at Magic Kingdom. Hey, hey.
I want to see Disney House.
You wanna see the Disney house? Okay. High five. Good job, Nanu. Wow, thank you. I wanna show you Cinderella Castle, Disney house, okay? This is Cinderella Castle. It is so beautiful and nice. Can you see? This is so beautiful.
Yes, Daddy. I love this, Daddy.
Looks interesting and so beautiful. Now we are waiting for the parade small show. So sweet. We are just walking around. This is really beautiful place to visit. Everyone can enjoy a lot. We are at the backside of Cinderella Castle. Hi everyone! Angelica is riding carousel. You like it, Nunu? Wow, this is so nice. She like to ride carousel. Wee! You like it, no? Okay, good. It's so nice. Bye bye.
I like.
Say hello. You like?
Everything. This is so fun. Everything. This is so fun.
Baby. Hello. Hello.
Yay! I like. It's so beautiful.
Bye bye. This is self-riding safari car.
This is so fun.
That is a space scanner.
Wow, it's a planet.
You wanna fly on a rocket? Okay.
Yay!
Daddy. Oh. Wow, it's a rocket. I like the rocket.
Thank you.
Gather all your belongings. Thank you.
Hi everyone. We are in train Disney World, the Magic World. So we are enjoying our train. We are enjoying our vacation. This is perfect time
Papa dulu.
Did you enjoy?
What a different high-flying adventure.
We are all right. Hello, hi. I hope you are enjoying with our part A videos. We separate our videos in a two section. Basically, in a part A, we are giving you more information and physically we enjoy it with our kids.
Yay! Whoa! It's your bubble pop. This funny. I do what to do.
This is very exciting, beautiful place that you can enjoy with yourself, with your kids, and with your family. The time is exactly at 9 p.m. but still we are enjoying. Our day we spent over here Magic Kingdom was really awesome and wonderful. Right now it is raining. We never know the weather. It can be changed anytime. So please be prepared with everything like raincoat, umbrella, whatever you need. Or you can buy in Disney Spring shopping store in this local area. We enjoy much by watching these glowing lights. These glowing lights make Thunder Castle amazing. It seems so beautiful at night. One of the most attraction of this theme park is Thunder Castle. Beauty of this Thunder Castle is at night because of glowing lights. This is the identical face of the Magic Kingdom Disney World. We enjoy much by watching, by playing, by walking, by riding, etc. Wow! This is the Disney Spring. The lights are on. It seems so beautiful at night. I hope you enjoy with our videos in part A. We have additional videos are in part B. Please do not forget to watch it. Bye bye. Bye bye. Magic Kingdom, Disney World. Bye bye everyone.